All right, next one is from, I don't even know, later. Blah, blah, blah. It says, this is so weak. Off-road means going over boulders or up washes and riverbeds, not driving on plowed dirt roads with a few washboards. If you can't go off-road with your kit, why? But especially for $8,000. To off-roading, everybody has their different opinion on what that is. To you, you may want to drive over boulders and, going down washboard roads. We definitely look forward to taking it out to the desert. That was something showing you how it does around windy roads. Definitely a lot of fun. And to a lot of people, that is what they're going to use their van for. So love to show it in every type of an environment. That was it. We've shown it in snow as well. So don't get me wrong, there will be more to come. Stay tuned. All right, so next one, another Trail Hero question. Great video. It's nice to see some innovation for our vans. I'm assuming that it works with a trail lift. So would it also, I have a Q lift. So I don't know if it will work with a Q lift. I have not played with one at all yet. I would love to find out if it will be compatible, the lower arms or even the shock. So I don't know yet. So when you're ready to do it, 2002 guy, let us know. And we could possibly play with your van and see if it's going to work. Let's see, next.
Do you want to do the, you loosen the pinch bolt to adjust the coil spring up for more lift? Does it alter the angle of the axle?
There's too many variables in that.
Okay.
This one comes from Gabe HD6 OK. It says I-beam for life. Heck yeah. I mean, I love the I-beams. It's dirty travel, but you get a lot of travel. And it says it ease up on the Red Bull, JJ. Well, I'm going to throw this out there. I gave up Red Bulls almost a year ago. And now it's just Starbucks, So if you ever want to send me something, send me a Starbucks gift card, and I'll give you a big shout out and say thank you. Because, dude, no more soda, no more energy drinks. So can we show some smaller Ford Transit Connect some love? I don't know if that's going to happen. However, there is a new Ford camper van on that small platform coming out, which would be cool. Still think you should get with the caravans. I just work way too much, and my kids are in sports. Definitely hard to get out way too much. I have your lift on my Class C, and I need more accessories. Well, don't you worry, Richard Torres. I have some cool new accessories coming for the motorhomes. You guys are going to absolutely love them. I'm hoping that they'll still be here in 2024, but if not, I got at least 2 new products coming out for the Class Cs in 2025. Beginning of 2025. I'm not going to say 2025. There are going to be a lot more of them. Light mounts. Transit looks more off-road capable than one of these diesel boy trucks. Yeah, you are definitely right, Jay Bird. Definitely, let's see here. So this one says leaf springs help load carrying capacity of the. Is it load carrying capacity limited by the axle's capacity? So yes, in a way that it is, but most of these motorhomes are undersprung from the factory. So by putting the correct spring on them to the weight of your actual motorhome, definitely is going to make an improvement in load carrying capacity. How do you fix the uneven tire wear on an E150? You bend the I-beams, which we do. Just installed your kit.
No, there's no question in there.
Yeah.
Hub said why would anyone fit wheel spacers?
So why would anyone fit wheel spacers? Hub-centric space top of the wheel from falling off due to full stud. It's the entire line of wheel that increases the hub load. I mean, you can go back and forth on hub spacers. You can, we run hub spacers. I run hub spacers on the front and rear of my Econoline. Actually, the 7.3 diesel that's right behind me. We just put hub-centric wheel spacers on the rear to get it, because when running the larger tires in full articulation, it wants to rub the inside of the body. You don't want to ruin a set of tires, but typically, I have not had any issues with them, and that's why we keep doing them.